Hi, this is Dylan Miller with Heyday Wake Boats, and today I'm going to show you how to install your travel cover. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the cover is aligned with the front of the boat. For the WT2, you're going to only need one cover pole. It's going to be located in the bow of the boat. If you have the WT Surf, you're going to have two, one in the bow and then also one in the back of the boat. The easiest way to find the front of the cover is to find the Heyday logo. The Heyday logo is going to be on the front of the windshield when the cover is on. One thing I like to do that helps keep the cover in place is pop up the cleats through the holes in the cover. Next, you're going to want to fasten the cover around the tower. I like to take this little piece here and put it right in between these two bars. You set that there, hold this up around the front of it, and just press down to stick the Velcro together. Next, you're going to take the Velcro piece that's on the inside of the cover and push it up against the outside piece right here. After that, all you have to do is just clip this buckle and fold this Velcro piece over top of it. One of my favorite features on the Heyday travel covers is the tower tie-off. But make sure you don't forget to put those cleats back down after the cover is installed. Lastly, make sure the cover is below the rub rail around the entire boat and both ratchets are tightened evenly. Once again, this is Dylan Miller with Heyday Wake Boats, and I'll see you out on the water.